today's session. This is Sana Khan, your Maths Master teacher from Vedantu. So, hi guys, what's up? क्या हाल है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? कैसा जा रहा है आपका संडे? एंड व्हाट इज संडे? संडे इज नथिंग बट फन डे फॉर अस. और जैसा कि मैंने कहा था, अब से मैं आप लोगों को संडे को बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ाऊंगी. संडे को सिर्फ हम इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें करेंगे. तो लेट्स सी कि आज हम संडे को क्या करने वाले हैं. वेल, आई नो कि आप लोग को अब तक आइडिया तो लग चुका होगा कि आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं अपने सेशन में एंड किसके बारे में जानने वाले हैं. सो एनी गेसेस गाइस, आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं एंड व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू नो अबाउट इन दिस सेशन. आई होप यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो, एंड इफ यू डोंट नो और भी अच्छी बात है. सो लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, टुडे I am going to tell you guys about the story of one of the greatest mathematicians, Shakuntala Devi. Wait, Vidya Balan nahi, the original Shakuntala Devi, okay? So I am going to tell you guys about our human calculator, who is no one else than Shakuntala Devi, late Shakuntala Devi, who was born on 4th of November 1929, and she passed away and she left us on 21 April 2013. But she had such an amazing, great life by which we can take a lot of lessons. Not just about math, not just about learning math or having fun with math. She lived her life like a hero, not like a hero, like a heroine. So she lived her life like a true champion. Why? Because she was happy in whatever she was doing, but she also had a great talent hidden inside her. So let's hear Sri Shakuntala Devi's story today. So guys, do you know that in her childhood she was born in Bangalore, Karnataka, to a Kannada Brahmin family. Her father worked as a trapeze artist, lion tamer, or tightrope walker, and a magician in a circus. So her father worked in a circus. And आपने अगर circus की shows देखे होंगे तो you know who is a lion tamer, who is a tightrope walker, right? So his father worked there, and during working there only he realized that his daughter has a special ability. And what is that ability? She has an ability of memorizing the numbers, playing with the numbers, while he was teaching her a card trick. So when she was only about 3 years old, 3 साल का बच्चा दिखा इतना सा होता है एकदम, जिसे कुछ भी नहीं आता है, सिर्फ चलना आता है तो लाके बोलता है, right? But at the age of 3 years, Shakuntala Devi could memorize any kind of number. So her father was really amazed by her ability. So what her father decided, that he left the circus and he took her on road shows that displayed her ability to calculate. She did this without any formal education. At the age of 6, she demonstrated her arithmetic abilities at the University of Mysore. So she didn't get any school education or any formal such education, but she still managed to do excellent calculations, and her father used her ability to actually showcase her talent on doing the road shows. Okay. So, and you must already be knowing what was she known for. She was known as the human calculator. Why? Because I will tell you why. Okay, so some of the examples of a super fast mental math, let's see what were they. You will be really amazed to know that how she used to calculate so easily and so fast. For example, in 1988, she traveled to US to have her ability studied by Arthur Jensen, a professor of educational psychology at the University of California, Berkeley. Jensen tested her performance at several tasks, including the calculation of large numbers, and examples of the problems presented to Devi included calculating the cube root of a large number like 61,600,029,875, and the 7th root of 170,859,375. And Jensen reported that Devi provided the solution to the above mentioned problem, that is 395 and 15 respectively, even before Jensen could copy them down in his notebook. So she took just fractions of few seconds to answer the question. Let's see another fun fact. What she did in 1977 at Southern Methodist University, she gave the 23rd root of a 201 digit number. सोच रहे हो आप, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 7 digit number, हम उससे ही डर जाते हैं. But she took a 201 digit number and she calculated 23rd root of it in how many seconds? In less than a minute, in just 50 seconds. Her answer, that is 546,372,891, was confirmed by calculations done at the US Bureau of Standards by the UNIVAC 1101 computer, for which a special program had to be written to perform such a large calculation, which took a longer time than for her to do the same. So, जिस क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्यूटर ने भी ज्यादा टाइम में निकाला, उससे कम टाइम में शकुंतला देवी ने उस नंबर का 23rd रूट निकाल के दे दिया, वो भी सिर्फ 50 सेकेंड में. हम तो क्यूब रूट भी नहीं निकाल पाते यार इतने जल्दी, एंड दैट टू हम तो 6-7 डिजिट्स में ही थक जाते हैं, राइट? नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू गाइस, हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू टेक टू कैलकुलेट द आंसर ऑफ दिस, to multiply such a big number with another number? In how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A 13 digit number multiplied by another 13 digit number. How much time will you take? I know, हमें तो जन्मों लग जाएंगे इसका आंसर निकालने में. But do you guys know how much time Shakuntala Devi took to answer this question? Well, this is the most amazing fact. She correctly answered it, and her answer was this, and she gave this answer in only 28 seconds. And remember, ये 28 seconds उन्होंने calculate करने में नहीं निकाला, ये 28 seconds उन्होंने बोलने में निकाला. आप बोल के देखो, 18,947,668,195,426,462,773,730. कितना टाइम लगा? So the time she took to answer this was 28 seconds. मतलब कैलकुलेशन में तो टाइम लिया ही नहीं उन्होंने. मतलब I was amazed when I got to know about this. Like this is something out of the world and something really very unique. So these were some amazing facts about Shakuntala Devi. Let me tell you about one more fact. Now this event was recorded in 1982 in the Guinness Book of World Records. Writer Stephen Smith commented that the result is so far superior to anything previously reported that it can only be described as unbelievable. So even Guinness Book of World Record people were amazed कि ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता भाई, ये कैसे कर दिया इस बंदी ने. मतलब कैलकुलेशन कब किया? बोलने में इतना टाइम ले लिया, जितना लंबा आंसर है, तो कैलकुलेशन कब किया? बिना कैलकुलेट के आंसर बता दिया. तो this was Shakuntala Devi, our respected Shakuntala Devi. Some of very famous books that she wrote were Book of Numbers, Figuring the Joy of Numbers, In the Wonderland of Numbers, Puzzles to Puzzle You, and Super Memory, It Can Be Yours. So I will suggest you guys to definitely try these books, because I will definitely would love to read these books and see what our great Shakuntala Devi wrote in them, and maybe हमें भी कुछ सीखने को मिल जाए यार. हम इतने फास्ट तो नहीं बन सकते, एटलीस्ट 7 digit into 7 digit ही करना सीख जाए हम अपने माइंड में, वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात होगी, राइट? So I know, but there are never any limitations to any mind. You can be the next Shakuntala Devi, or even greater than Shakuntala Devi also. You can be anyone, you can be anything, and you yourself are great. You know that, right? So yeah guys, that was all about Shakuntala Devi. I hope you must be also amazed to learn the fun facts, the great facts about Shakuntala Devi, and how and why she was called as the human calculator. Like whenever we read such kind of stories, it's really very motivating for us, right? I know that इतना तो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता है कि हम उस लेवल तक पहुंच जाएंगे, बट इतना तो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि if she has this ability and she could reach such an extent. बट पता है ऐसा नहीं है कि उनकी जो born ability सिर्फ इस वजह से वो आगे बढ़ी. She had great positivity that मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, I can do it. वो अपनी लाइफ को फन वे में लेती थी, फन वे में जीती थी, पॉजिटिविटी के साथ जीती थी. So that is what important is, and that is what matters. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning about Shakuntala Devi, knowing about her. And do tell me in the comment section today that what is your story. Share your mathematical story experience with your Sana ma'am. I would love to hear your experience also. Math solve करने में, math की पढ़ाई करने में, math सीखने में आपको सबसे अमेजिंग जर्नी आपकी कब लगी? आपको कब ऐसा लगा कि आज मैंने कुछ बहुत अच्छा किया है, आज मैंने कुछ बहुत अच्छा सीखा है? So share your experience with me, guys. I would love to hear them, and I will definitely try to reply to all your comments, guys. And I will wait to hear your story too. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me, and see you tomorrow again in the live session. Till then, everybody take care and do hit the like button if you guys enjoyed today's session. Okay, so see you guys. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.